All right, we'll kick off our birthday list this morning up in Fort Scott, Kansas, with a 10th birthday celebration for Cade Hickson. Hope you have a wonderful day.
Hey, we've got Xenia Seaver turning 11 in Nevada. So a very happy birthday to Xenia.
And Mackenzie Green turns 15 this year. Mackenzie is celebrating in Weir, Kansas. We've got birthday love coming from Aunt Charity and Uncle Jamie.
We've also got in Girard, Kaylee Powell is now old enough to drive a car. She is 16. So Kaylee, a very happy birthday to you, and watch out for the other crazy people on the road.
That's for sure. And in Columbus, Mr. Clint Saporita celebrating birthday number 44 this year. Hope it's a great one.
He's celebrating the right way considering the temperatures we've got. Nothing like a good grilling day, right?
Yeah.
We've also got Terry Thompson in Pittsburgh turning 62 years old. Happy birthday, Terry.
All right. And Steve Allen turning double sixes this year in Joplin with love from Darlene.
We've also got John Turchek turning 76 in Carl Junction. And John, this comes with love from the entire family on your big day.
All right, switching over to a few anniversaries. The Strouds are celebrating 48 wonderful years together in Frontenac. Congrats going out to Brian and Kathleen Stroud.
We've also got Craig and Charity Burchett, their 20th anniversary over in Liberal. A very happy anniversary to both of you.
And if the Burchetts are celebrating 20 years, that means the Phillips are celebrating 70 years. Roger and Iona are actually Charity's grandparents. That's pretty cool. Also in Liberal, so they get to have a double anniversary celebration. 70 years for Roger and Iona.
There's going to be an entire town celebration in Liberal. And then, check out this guy. You recognize that background, right? That's because it's from here in the studio, because Mr. Elmer Thorne, as we know him lovingly as E.T., is celebrating a birthday today. One of our fine sales folks who, without folks like Elmer, we can't pay our bills. So we are very thankful to you, Elmer, and a very happy birthday to you as well.
See Mr. Thorne for all of your advertising needs. Yes. And our list goes on. We've got Sydney Lumpkins turning 18 years old this year in Oronogo. And Caitlin Nash, happy birthday to you as well.
Hey, and I've got good news. You know what we've got here at KOAM? We call it the KOAM Birthday Club. And you know how you can be a part of this birthday club? All you have to do is, well, I forgot. Okay, I'm getting ahead of myself. So first, submit your birthdays to the email addresses you saw, and then go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get special deals from local businesses. Plus, Tanya and I will say a good happy birthday to you. All you need to do, go to our website, sign up for that birthday club.